Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel Unlock English Success. If you have watched my previous video, you will know that we are learning about the new English book of grade 9 of Punjab Textbook Board, and we are working on our first unit, that is the Saviour of Mankind. So in yesterday's video, we have learned how to do the question answer of that book. So now we will be working on the further exercise questions. So when you come to the question answers of this exercise, you can know that they are telling you about parts of speech. I hope all the students are well aware about the parts of speech. Okay, whatever we talk, whatever we say, or whatever we speak, that is called the speech. Okay, in every sentence, obviously it's a mixture or the combination of some words. So every word has a name or a special category in the grammar. So we can learn that how many different parts of speech there are. So they are 8 in number. You can know that noun, then pronoun, then we can say the verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunctions, and the last interjection. Okay, so we will learn about parts of speech in another video, because our main focus is right now is to do the exercise of chapter number 1. So here we have a question A. Identify and label nouns, verbs, and conjunctions in the given sentence. Means in this sentence they are only asking us about to highlight or to point out the nouns, verbs, and conjunctions. You all know very well that nouns are the names of persons, places, and things. And so far as verbs are concerned, verbs are the actions or any work. Okay, and then conjunctions mean the joining words. Okay, which can join two sentences, which can join two clauses, or part of a sentence, or different words also. So first we will read the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This is a sentence, and we will find out that how many nouns are there, or any example of verb in it, or any conjunction in it. So I have write down the answers in a separate page so you can have better understanding. So here you can see the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Okay, here fox, which is bold, is written. It is noun. What is it? Fox is noun, and there is an other noun in the sentence, that is dog. So in this sentence, fox and dog is called noun. Okay, you can write down on your book here noun, fox, noun. Jumps is the verb. Okay, what is jumps? Jumps is the verb. Let's see the second one. Second sentence is, after the storm, the sky was clear and bright. So when you read the sentence, you can find out the noun, that is the sky. Okay, and then we have verb was. Okay, and our conjunction is and. Clear? So the storm is also a noun, the sky noun, was is our verb, and is here conjunction. Done? Okay, let's move to the third sentence. Third sentence is, she quickly finished her homework before dinner. Okay, so you can find out that what is verb. Obviously verb here is finished, then homework is the noun. Okay, dinner can also be considered as noun. So in sentence number 3 we can see that finished is our verb, homework is noun, and dinner is noun. Let's see the fourth sentence. Wow, that was an incredible performance. Okay, so in this sentence you can see that was is our verb and performance is our noun. Okay, performance is the noun and was is the verb. Next, fifth sentence, because it was raining, they decided to stay indoors. So we will find out here the word because is our conjunction, raining is our verb, decided is also our verb, okay, because is our conjunctions, raining is verb and decided is also verb, okay, done. So this is on page number 13, okay, page number 13 of your New English grade 9 textbook, and this is the exercise of unit number 1, the Saviour of Mankind. So after we have our question number C, which we will be doing today, that is choose the correct adjectives. So adjectives is also a part of speech and it means the describing words, okay. Adjectives are the words which describe a noun or a pronoun, okay. So it can also be considered as the qualities, character traits or anything else. So we will be selecting the right adjective in these sentences. So very first sentence is Ashfaq Ahmed was a dash writer. You have 4 different options with it: famed, famous, famously and infamous. So what you can say that Ashfaq Ahmed was a famous writer, okay. So our answer will be Ashfaq Ahmed was a famous writer. Then second, this is a very dash seminar. Information, informed, informative or informing. So the answer will be this is a very informative seminar, okay, informative seminar. So option C will be the right answer. Then sentence number 3, my mother becomes dash if I get home late. And you have 4 options again: anxiety, anxious, anxieties, anxiously. So the answer will be B option, anxious. My mother becomes anxious if I get home late, okay. You have the second option, B option is the right one. My mother becomes anxious if I get home late, okay. Then we come to 4th sentence. It is dash to get the correct information from the university office. It is advisable, okay. So the very first option is the answer, advisable. B option is advisable, advising or advised, but the right answer is advisable, okay. 5th sentence, who is dash for this chaos? You have 4 options: responding, responsible, responsive and responded. So the answer is who is responsible for this chaos. Done? Understand everyone? So let's move to the question number D, that is fill in the blanks with the correct part of speech as indicated in the parentheses. Means in these brackets there are some options and there are some prepositions and you have to write down over here. So the very first sentence, the cat is hiding dash the bed, preposition, okay. So they have also given you the choice that or a hint that you have to find out the correct preposition. So you can write that the cat is hiding under the bed. Under is the option over here. So we will use the cat is hiding under the bed. Next, second sentence, she dash her homework before dinner. So they have given us the option verb, means we have to use some verb over here. So what you can decide to put over here, she did her homework before dinner. Done? You can write the word did over here. She did her homework before dinner. Sentence number 3, dash, interjection. That was an amazing performance. Okay, so introduction is in also parts of speech and it means some words which shows your feelings, okay. Feelings can be of happiness or sadness or wonder or joy, okay. So here you can write down any word which is an interjection. So here you can see wow. So the word wow will be written over here. Wow, that was an amazing performance. Then come to statement number 4. He is a very dash student. Here they have asked us to find out an adjective. So you can find an adjective over here, bright. Yes, he is a very bright student. 5th is dash went to the store, pronoun, okay. So we will not write a noun over here because Salma is given as a noun. So they are asking us to write down the pronoun. So it will be, the answer will be they. They went to the store. Okay. The answer will be they went to the store. Done. Okay, next you see there are some oral communication skills, and then the writing skills. Write a well structured paragraph on tolerance and religious harmony. So if any student want this paragraph in some easy words, so you can ask me in the comments of this video. And if you have liked this video and it is helpful for you in your exams or study related problems, so kindly subscribe and like my channel, and do share my video with other students. Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.